Can I get the third short video going pretty soon? Oh, this is yummy. Oh, eh. Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This is part of our Christmas in July series. If you're watching this video, you might have seen my other two videos. I am batch recording like 3 videos. And again, I hope you got a chance. I still haven't took working on my toffee squares. Very tasty. I will leave that recipe in the description because this is it's definitely a mainstay for Christmas time. Are these toffee squares? But I don't know why I don't make them more often. They are delicious. Alright, so this pattern that I wanted to share with you today is my tree skirt pattern. I got the red, white, and blue one. I don't know if you can see tree, but so far I have several made up. It is pretty much a round chevron pattern. So I think I did this one. I don't remember what yarn I used this one, but it has a red, white, and almost a red, white, and blue color to this one. So I might have this one around, like, if you're like me, I sometimes have a tree up all year round. This could be for like right now, 4th of July or Memorial Day. I'm trying to remember what yarn this was I made with this. It's very soft. It might have been a mandala, but I don't remember what yarn I used. So I got this one. This one here is definitely Red Heart or acrylic yarn in green and light green. Again, surprisingly, I did not make this for Christmas. I made this one for St. Patrick's Day when I was decorating my tree for St. Patrick's Day. That's this one. Let's see, I don't think do I have my favorite edging on this one? I don't. This one I have, this is one of my favorite edgings. Many of my projects have this edging on it. All it is pretty much is a V-stitch with another double crochet on top. So you would do a double crochet, chain 3 and do a double crochet on top of the double crochet you just did, and then double crochet back in the original one. So that's a fancy V-stitch. One of my favorite edging. I like it. So anyway, yeah, my tree skirt I made for St. Patrick's Day. This one for sure I know was a mandala yarn. So yeah, this was a mandala yarn, and if you see, it's got fall looking colors with this one. So I'll have this tree skirt up if I have my tree up and decorated for the Halloween time frame. Or at that point, I'll probably be doing Blogtober, but it's Vlogtober. That's several months away and getting way ahead of myself. So I think this tree skirt not necessarily might be a gift, but something to make for your own tree or give as a gift. So yeah, this is the short video pattern I want to check. If you have any other interesting tree skirt patterns, you can leave that. Let me know in the comments. Or pretty much if you want to really keep it simple, yeah, this is, like I said, this is a chevron pattern. You can probably just make a circle and just not join the circle. And that could be a simple tree skirt. So yeah, that is all I have. I think coming up next, I just want to let you know I'm getting ready also for Mystery Yarn Challenge for July is coming up. That's hosted by Armchair Chef. So I'm getting ready for that. So you probably have seen the yarn in my first Christmas video, which I said I was going to use that. So pretty much that's the yarn that's going out. And I think I added a few others to try to match that color palette. Hope you are checking out K&K Crochet for their Christmas Extravaganza. They're having all month long. So make sure you check them out because they also have some really good pattern ideas. Also, don't forget to check the description. I have a blog post which will also link other patterns that you could try out for good Christmas ideas. So that is all I have. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.